This is my newest bike, the Anyland Rev Pro. Completely stock, this bike is super good for the price. But currently, I haven't seen many builds on them, with most of them still being completely stock. So today, we're gonna change that, and we're gonna make this bike the cleanest one ever. Okay, so I do really like this bike. I think it looks super clean stock and just like a really good bike. But I do think it's time for a change. So we're gonna be stripping the whole thing down, taking off the plastics, and we're gonna change them. And we have a few other upgrades. So let's get to it. First, we have to put it on the stand though. Now that that's done and it's on the stand, let's get to stripping the bike down. The fender's off. It is a little bit dirty, but we'll wash that off. The first side panel piece is off, and it was actually pretty easy to take off. It only took like a few bolts, but we're gonna do the next side now. These are all of the parts that I'm going to be painting. The fender, the side piece, there's two, but there's only one here right now. The ignition cover, and the rear fender. I'm going to give these a quick wash, and then let's get to painting them. This is the paint that we're using. It's in black gloss. It was $6 or $7 at Home Depot, so pretty cheap, but hopefully it looks good. All of the base layers are done. It looks pretty good, pretty glossy. Some are more glossy than the others, but still looks pretty good. We're gonna do some more layers now though. Okay, I also forgot to record that part, but it's pretty much all done. They're super glossy. I did the underside of just the fender because you can probably see that one the most. But I'm gonna take these home and let them dry more. Okay, we got the plastics inside and they've been drying for about a day now. So we're gonna finally put them back on the bike. And then we have a few other mods we're gonna put on. So this bike is gonna look super clean. So let's put these back on. Okay, all the plastics except for the fender is on, and it's looking super good so far. I'm gonna put on the seat to see how it looks, and yeah. The seat's on, and I really like the all black look. I think it looks super clean. I mean, I also did like the red, but I just thought it was time for like a change, so that's why we did the black. I'm gonna put on the fender now, and we'll go from there. The fender's on, and out of all the pieces, I think the fender came out the best. It's like the most glossy, and it was like really the look that I was going for. Some pieces aren't as glossy, but they still look really good. I think I'm gonna throw on my Surron throttle and number plate now, so I'll show you guys how to get it wired up. First, we have to take off the old half-twist throttle. This is our new Surron throttle. I also got it from artzcustoms.com, as most of the parts in this video. I already went ahead and stripped all of the ends so I can put it on the bike. So let's go about seeing how to install this thing on the bike. We have to cut the old connector off this one so we can put the new one on. Next, we have to strip the wire. So now you'll have 3 different colored wires, a white, a red, and a black. On screen, I'll put a picture of which wires need to go to which. And thank you to Kizzle for that wiring diagram. I'll link him in the description. Now that we got both ends stripped, we're gonna twist the correct ones together and it'll be good. Also, I know you guys probably can't see very well, but hopefully it's as clear as it can be. Okay, it should be all good and wired up now. We're gonna try to turn it on and see if the throttle works. It's gonna be the first time it's been on in like a few days, so hopefully it works good still. So yeah, it does. I need to tighten the chain a lot, but that's good that the throttle works. We're gonna cover it in some electrical tape. So yeah. All right, it's all wired up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw back on the number plate now. We have a plate and decal from RDZ Customs. I don't sell this exact one anymore, but super cheap. This is like $25, so let's put it on. The number plate's on and it's looking super good. We have this pair of grips also from RDZ Customs, and we're gonna put those on right now. Okay, we got the throttle side grip on. I couldn't get it on all the way. It's like really hard to do. But we're gonna put on that side now. So yeah. All right, we got this one off. Now let's put the new one on. Okay, that one was so much easier to get on. And they look super nice, I think. They're only a few dollars at RDZ Customs, which is a super good deal. We have a few more mods to throw on, so let's do that. Our next mod is these Ultra B brake clickers. And they make your brakes clicky, so they sound like Ultra B brakes, like this. They're only $9.99 at RDZ Customs, so let's put them on. The install is super easy, and all you need is a screwdriver. So under the brake, you'll find this screw right here, and you need to undo that. And then you'll have your old brake sensor, and this does make it so you can't use one anymore, but I don't like mine, so let's put the new one on. Put the bolt through like this. You can use the old bolt that it comes with, and just screw it back in. Once you do that, your brakes will be clicky now, like this. I personally like them, and it's only $9.99. I'm gonna do the other side now. Now, both of my brakes are clicky, and I personally like them. It's a super cheap upgrade, and you can get them from rdzcustoms.com. That's all for the new upgrades. I'm just gonna really quick tighten my chain, and this thing will be done. And if you wanna buy this bike, you can use my code RazorDrifts to save $100 at checkout. I just took the bike out for the first time in a while, and I absolutely love the new look. I really like the black, and the Surron throttle is so much better. The half twist wasn't bad, but for a bike like this, you should have a full twist. Most of these mods I did get from rdzcustoms.com, which is my store, so it helps me out a ton if you shop there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Brand new bike. Hey, brand new shoes.